Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3. Rock! Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3. 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 Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone, if you're a beginner and you just have the beginner knowledge of Java, let's create a game with that beginner knowledge. So today we are going to create a game which called Rock, Paper, Scissors. Now with my computer will choose its value randomly and I'll give my value as user input. So for first I have to create a class, new class, and let's name it game. Okay, I'm naming it game. Obviously I need my main method. So yeah, I create a class called game. Now I need my random value, which will as I said, my computer will choose value randomly. So I need import java.util random. Yeah, I need this. And then sorry, the R will be the capital R. Yeah, now it's good. And I need user input, so I need I'm just a beginner like you and I have the beginner knowledge. So and I'm creating this game with that beginner knowledge. So firstly I'll create a string, what should I say, permanent string, private static final string, because my permanent string value, string value should be null firstly, because my user will give a string value and my computer will give a string value. So for default I need a null value, that's why I said a string null. Now inside my main method I need user input, so let's say scanner. What should I call it? Scanner. Using them just as the capital S and the new S, so I'm naming this scanner, small s scanner, new scanner, and system.in. Okay, now I'll assign, let's say, while true. I'm putting my conditions inside a loop, so I'm using while loop. So while I'm working with a string, let's say I'm making some string value. If you are a Java beginner, you already have knowledge about array. So here I'm using array. Let's name this RPS, and the array value will be rock, paper, scissors. So rock, then rock, then it could be paper, and it could be scissor. So that's my array value and string value. Then I have my computer move, I have my player move, I mean user move. So I need which will be string type. So I need string computer move, then string player move. Yeah, now I have to assign computer move as randomly. So computer move is equal to RPS. It will choose values from here. It will choose rock, paper or scissor randomly. So I need RPS, then new random dot next int, and based on RPS length. So RPS dot length. So this line will choose my computer value randomly. That's it. Now I will work, let's ask my user to give input. So system in Java, the best thing is the suggestion. It shows quite everything. Let's say please enter your move. Please enter your move. So I'll ask my player, please enter your move. Now the input player move is equal to my scanner dot next line. Scanner dot next line, it's a scanner. Okay, the smallest. I was too lazy to think another name, so I just gave it scanner. Now I need I will also print my computer move. So I will say system computer move was then plus computer move. So it will after user put its move, the computer will show what is the computer move, and then it will show us the result. And for the result there are three scenario in this game. In every game there are three scenario. You could be the winner, you could be the loser, or I mean when you were the winner, obviously your opponent is the loser, or when you were the loser, obviously your opponent is the winner. And there is another scenario, the game could be tied. So I'll make this three scenario put this three scenario in a condition. So firstly I will work with scenario 1, the game could be tied. So when the game could be tied, when the user value is rock and the computer, I mean when the player move is rock and computer move is rock. So when both move matches, then the game is tied. So I'll use if else. If you're a beginner, obviously you have the if else knowledge. So if here my condition, if player move dot matches, let's say rock, if player move matches rock, and the computer move dot matches rock. So when both move matches rock, and there are two more logic here. I mean, there are two more cases here. So I can say or. There I'm using this straight line with or. Okay, I'm using this straight line as or, and what should I say? Or player move matches. I'm copying this one again. I will just change the value. Player move matches not rock. This time player move will be paper. Paper. And computer move matches paper. Okay, there are some error. I'll fix it. No problem. Paper. Just let me write my condition. I'm writing. I'm going to it inside this one. Okay, I'm just making this in next line, so I don't have to. Okay, there is no plus obviously. I just came on next line. Player move matches paper and I have another condition. If player move matches scissor, and computer move matches scissor. So there's my three condition. I mean three case where my game could be, or my game could be tie. System dot out dot print the game was tie. So it will print this. Now let's fix those errors. That's the problem here obviously. Okay, I just printed too many. If player move matches rock and computer move, my computer move was right. Matches rock. Okay, I missed another step here. If player move matches paper and computer move matches paper, what's wrong with that? If player move matches scissor and computer move matches scissor, okay, for some keyword reason there was. Now it's okay. I just there was some writing mistake. Okay, now there is another possibility for just for good looking. There is another possibility where the player could be the winner. So when the player could be the winner, else if. So before that I'm saying when the player could be the winner, when a player said paper and the computer said rock, when player said rock and computer says scissor, and when player said scissor but computer said paper, because paper can grasp that rock and rock can beat that scissor. I can break that scissor with my rock, plus scissor can cut the paper. So winner. Player have to be when player is paper, according to my condition, when player is paper and my computer is rock, and when my computer is rock and my when my player is rock and my computer is scissor. Also when my player is scissor and my computer is paper. So that's the three case when my scenario will be uh, congrats, you win. So then that's the scenario. Okay, I just there is double it. Okay, now there is another scenario when the computer could be the winner. I mean, you are the loser, player is the loser, and computer is the winner. So else if player move when player move matches paper and computer move will be the scissor. When paper scissor, then it will be the winner. And when player move is rock, when player move is rock, it will be the paper. Yeah, paper can beat rock. And when player move is scissor, it will be rock. So yeah, paper scissor, rock paper, scissor rock. Yeah. So sorry, you were the lose. Sorry, you lost that game. So we'll print sorry, you lose the game. So we'll print this. We have another condition if the user put any wrong value. So we'll print just else system dot out dot println player move was wrong. This because computer move can't be wrong, it will choose randomly from that. So you could you were the one who could give any wrong input. Obviously you have to put that capital rock or capital paper or scissor because I assigned that value scissor. Okay, now if we play this one, sorry, let me drag this. Please enter your move. My move is rock. So computer said paper. Sorry, you lose the game. Then again, we insert it in. We put our condition inside a loop inside while loop, so we can play again and again. Paper. Computer move was paper. The game was tie. Then I'm putting scissor. This paper. The computer is choosing paper again and again. No, it shouldn't be. So again, we choose rock. Look. No, it's said paper 3 times. Then it's choose scissor. It's choosing value randomly. It says again paper. Okay. So let's put something which can beat paper scissor. Oh, this time the computer says scissor. That game was tie. Oh, I thought computer was stupid, but it was not. Okay. Now what we'll do? So now what we'll do? We will count their score. So we can define, let's say, computer score. Computer score. No, its a value will be in int value. So int computer score 0. The default value is 0. Int player score will be again 0. So both default money, I mean in beginning both the score was 0 as both the player, but when it's the winner, you were the winner, then before my condition ends it will count player is the winner. So my player score plus plus. We learned about increment and decrement. There is my player score is increasing. So now sorry you lose. So my computer move computer move sorry computer score plus plus. Computer score plus plus. My computer maybe is capital C. It was capital C. Make sure I'm writing the same thing. So computer score plus plus. Now we will print uh, computer score, and we will print the score. Computer score. Also we will print player score player score. So it will print our computer score and it will print our player score. Also we'll do that later. Now your move was rock, game was tie, so both the score is 0-0. Then again my input is rock, game was again ties 0-0. Again mine is rock, the computer move was rock, still the game was tie. So paper, this time computer move was scissor, so I lose the game. Computer score is 1, my score is 0. So again my move is let's say paper. So again computer said scissor and my score is 0. So maybe computer will use scissor this time again. So I can say rock can beat scissor. No, computer says paper this time, so I lose. Computer score is 3 and my score is 0. I say rock, computer says rock, so the game was time. So and that's how I can play full day this game. But what if I want to end this game when computer point is 5 or when my point is 5? Let's put it inside a boundary. Mm. If computer score is 5, or let's say player score is equal to 5. If any of them score is 5, it will print system dot out dot print alarm to break line Good game. I'll print good game. Thanks for joining the game or thanks for attending. Thanks for attending. My condition is here. So it shouldn't be outside of my condition. It should be inside my condition. So yeah. Now for not for 5, let's check with 2. We will check with 2 firstly. If any of them score no, 2 sounds unfair, we count best 2. So why it's going back here. So I'm breaking it here. Break. So and my score is 3 outside of the game. Just it will kick me out. Rock. Rock. Paper. Paper. Okay, 2 by 2. Scissor. Again 2 by 2. Rock. The computer scored 3 and it says good game, thanks for attending. It's not asking for any input and it's not, I mean, you can play now. So that's the exit. Just kicked you out. So that's how I made a game with my beginner Java knowledge. So stay safe. Thank you.